For today's video, we will be joining almost 700 riders to go around Albay. Maaga ang take-off for the Albay Loop, kaya naman madilim pa ay marami ng tao dito sa jump-off point. At dito lang yan sa Old Legazpi Airport. You can really see how excited everyone is, lalo na't yung ibang mga riders ay nanggaling pa sa Visayas at Mindanao. There will be 5 checkpoints for the first day of the loop. At dahil loop nga ito, you don't need to hurry or ride fast kasi wala naman itong time limit. Ang goal ay makita ang bawat destination at ma-enjoy ang ride habang papunta dito. Para sa loop na ito, I will be using my CB650R with my Maxxis Supermax MASD tire. Madalas kong ginagamit tong bike na to for short rides at ngayon ko lang siya isasabak sa malayo ang ride, kaya naman excited din talaga ako. Our first stop is the Mayon Skyline View Deck via Tabaco Road. At dahil skyline nga siya, you can expect na going uphill ang kalsada papunta dito. We enjoyed the quick twisties going up and it took us about an hour to get here. From the observation deck, you can appreciate the beauty of the majestic Mayon volcano. Makikita mo rin sa baba ang ibang part ng Albay and you'll see how nice the area is. Late kasi kaming umalis kaya wala na kaming naabutang ibang riders, pero okay lang kasi naabutan naman namin tong mga batang to. I happily talk to them in Bicol maski dikit lang ang aram kong mga words. May mga tinitinda din ditong pasalubong at halaman na pwede nyong iuwi kung may mga dala kayong sasakyan. After a few photos and videos, umalis na kami para sa second destination naman. Ang next stop namin ay ang Partido Riviera along Tiwi-Sagnay Road. Masaya ang daan papunta dito kasi puro korbada na. Gamit na gamit ko ang ganda ng Maxxis tire ko dito kasi ramdam na ramdam ko talagang makapit siya. At first, you might think that Partido Riviera is just a signage. But don't let it deceive you kasi konting lakad lang papunta sa likod nito, you'll see a stunning view of the whole Lagonoy Gulf and Atulayan Island. O diba, akala mo ganun-ganun lang, pero napakaganda pala talaga ng view dito. Dahil mahaba pa ang araw namin, hindi na kami nagtagal and going to our third destination took us about an hour also. Same curvy road but this time with a coastal view. After an hour, narating na namin ang Tagas Boulevard. This is one of the newest attractions in Camarines Sur. And alam nyo ba guys, na ang Tagas is a Bicolano term for hard or strong. Wala pang masyadong tao nung pumunta kami dito kasi tanghali na, but I'm sure this is a popular destination for tourists because aside from it's beside the sea, it's also a nice place to enjoy the sunrise and the sunset. Our fourth destination and probably my most favorite is the Camsur Water Sports Complex. Halos 2 hours din bago kami nakarating dito. And every time umuwi kami ng Bicol, itong CWC talaga ang lagi namin pinupuntahan. If I'm not mistaken, CWC has the biggest wakeboard park in the Philippines. Magagaling ang mga wakeboarders dito na Pinoy and this place is very popular among foreign tourists na mahilig din mag-wakeboard. Pwedeng-pwede kayong pumunta dito para itry ang wakeboarding at pwede din kayong pumunta dito para lang manood sa mga naglalaro. Nakaka-amaze kasi pag nakikita mo yung mga rider, lalo na kapag nagtitricks na sila sa mga rampa, sobrang gagaling nila. And aside from swimming and riding, wakeboarding is one of my favorite sports. Sayang nga lang at hindi ako nakapag-ride nung araw na yon, but I will definitely go back to do so. But of course, other than the water sports, I'm proud to say na masarap ang pagkain dito sa CWC. Take it from me guys, madami silang pagkain na masasarap and people go here just to eat their food. So next time you visit Bicol, make sure to stop by here for breakfast or for lunch. Medyo nagtagal lang kami sa CWC kasi aside sa masarap magstay doon, inabot din kami ng ulan. From Camsur, we'll have to go back to Albay for our last stop for the day. At ito na nga ang Legazpi Boulevard. This place probably has one of the most picturesque view of Mayon Volcano. At makikita mong dinadayo talaga siya both ng locals and tourists to enjoy the view and just relax here. Marami kayong makikitang nagbabike, nagjo-jogging at namamasyal dito. And after a whole day of riding, I just want to say how happy I am with my bike and the tire I'm using. Maxxis tires did not let me down kahit inabot pa kami ng ulan at lubak-lubak na kalsada. And this concludes our day 1 for the Albay Loop. Excited na ako bukas kasi alam ko marami pa kaming pupuntahan na magagandang lugar dito sa Albay. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video!